this old house has seen better days, and this old car it's turned from red into rust, and this old car dreams of the old highway. Well, this old river, it still twists and turns, and this old river, it used to run untamed, and this old town, its heart still burns, and this old town, it still runs through my veins. It's been a beautiful life, one in love and one hell of a ride. Even though I may be falling apart, whoa, it's been a beautiful life. Well, these old shoes, they've walked for miles and miles, and these old shoes, they walk through life unafraid. This old guitar, I got it when I was a child. This old guitar, it still has something to say. It's been a beautiful life, one little love and one hell of a ride. Even though I may be falling apart, whoa, it's been a beautiful life. All these eyes, they've seen laughter and tears. In these eyes, they still see something new. In this old heart, they still got a few more years. In this old heart will always love you. It's been a beautiful life, one little love and one hell of a ride. Even though I may be falling apart, whoa, it's been a beautiful life. It's been a beautiful life. One little love and one hell of a ride. Even though I may be falling apart, whoa, it's been a beautiful life. Such a beautiful life.
Give it up for Doc Walker. You guys look amazing. Give yourselves one more round of applause. CP couldn't do this without you guys, and we thank you so much. You guys look amazing. Now, I want to know who came here tonight to see the CP Holiday Train with someone that they love. Alright, I feel it already, you guys, but I want to see it. I want you to pull that person just a little bit closer. Aww. That's what I like to see. I want the crowd to shrink. Give them a kiss, hold their hand. Just let them know that you care about them, because that's what this time of year is really about. That's what this song is about. One of mine called Love Me Like That.
Sitting on my driveway, you and me, spinning my hair around my finger and wondering what you're thinking about. You pull a daisy from the ground and you tell every power. But each one you tell me why you like me and I'm special as the falling there. I hold on to every word you say to me. You know how to make this girl go crazy. I think you're reading my mind. You give me real soft kisses, walk me to the door, whisper how amazing this is, tell me I am beautiful. Hold me just a little tighter when they're playing our song. Smile when my darkness gone wrong and give me your attention. I'm falling so fast.
Oh, give it up. What a beautiful song. What a beautiful voice.